This is Ekonod, an installation and energy platform mounted on the bathroom module, designed to remove multiple major risks in real estate projects at once. It combines our accumulated experience from project development, industrialized on-site methods, and long-term operations and maintenance. Every building project is defined by risk in installation, risk in moisture, risk in coordination, and risk in time and cost. At Nordnest, we built Ekonod to remove those risks where they actually start. By packaging complexity into a single integrated solution, we make real estate projects simpler, faster, and smarter, while increasing net operating income and strengthening the overall property business. Ekonod is not just a product, it is a system designed to be built the same way every time. That process begins here, in a controlled factory environment. Instead of assembling the most complex part of a building on site, we move that work upstream. Critical technical systems are assembled, integrated and tested before they ever reach the construction site. This is where predictability is created. Every Ekonod module is built using industrial processes, not improvised site work. Interfaces are defined, tolerances are controlled, connections are verified, quality is checked step by step. Nothing is left to chance. We change how buildings are developed, constructed, and maintained by strategically placing the installation and energy platform on the bathroom module. By assembling the technical core in the factory, we remove the dependency on multiple trades working in the same space under time pressure. This is how we reduce errors. This is how we reduce moisture risk. This is how we shorten installation time. The result is lower costs, reduced risk, and higher value across the entire life cycle, from design and construction to operation and maintenance. This approach allows Ekonod to integrate water, heating, ventilation, safety systems, energy logic, and digital metering into one coordinated platform. The most complex part of the apartment becomes the most predictable. Once the module is complete, it is tested and prepared for transport. Because the system is compact and lightweight, logistics becomes simpler and safer. From factory to site, the process stays controlled. The module arrives ready, not as parts, not as instructions, but as a finished, verified system. On site, installation becomes a clear sequence. Lift, position, connect, and verify. There are fewer trades, fewer interfaces, and fewer coordination points. This is what allows projects to move faster without increasing risk. It is not about speed for its own sake, it is about removing uncertainty. This project shows that process in action. Here, Ekonod modules are delivered to Orland as part of a residential development. Each module arrives as a complete installation and energy platform for the apartment. What you are seeing is not a prototype. It is the result of a system designed for repeatability, scalability, and real-world construction. Let's change how our industry works, partner with us, and use our installation and energy platform to create more valuable real estate projects. With Ekonod, complexity becomes simple, smarter, greener, faster. Built to work, delivered with confidence.